It's going to be what? I think holding a crypt. I'm inside. Tripped.
Everybody want to know what I would do if I didn't win. I guess we'll never know.
Okay. Manje ma recorder ubhekisa sona or so. Thatha by sound. What's good man YouTube? Yeah, it's a patrocificationalism. Who am I with? Ubani? Khuluma nge-passion intwana yami. Abulela. Afade abulela. So how's in a scale of 1 to 10 how smart are you?
Maybe 8.
Maybe 8. Aye. You're too smart, ne?
Okay.
Yeah, fair. So, what's a noun? Okay, what's a
9.
9. Va?
Tite.
Oh, shout out T-Coast in the strata. What's a noun?
Doing weird.
And then what's a verb?
Hi. Yes.
So, how many days are in a leap year? What's a leap year?
Yo.
Okay, would you suck a dick or your mother ties? Would you suck a dick or your mother ties? A quarter? Oh, yeah, sure.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
Mother ties.
Mother ties. So you're not about that point. Oh, I feel it that I am. You know me to me see the slow. Yes, slow, my boy.
Yes.
In is being slow.
Leave.
Okay, where's your heart? I feel it that I am. Okay, what's up, guys? It's a patrocificationalism. You know, how smart are you? Episode 1. So, Petubani.
Sesh.
Wafa.
Was it late?
Okay. For the session, so boost up my question, Yan, and then. Yeah, I'm a Christian. Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
That's what I feed. So, Ogwanaguti, how smart are you? Where you at?
Yeah.
That's all. Okay, sharp. Okay, you need to come a wheeling slow. Okay, Zara! What's up, guys? Shosho chance ne? Tamalama Petro. Ngamba mbuza abantu like I'm working for some company called Smart Intelligence. You see? So we go around asking people questions to see where they at. You feel me? Yeah. Who am I with?
Are you with Ghost?
Ghost? Yes, Ghost.
Tando aka Mtinos. Bangicaba igasi vele.
I feel it. I am. What's a kid, buddy?
8.
Va?
Kutitelo that T-Coast.
Okay, T-Coast in the building, you know?
9 T-Coast.
Now, let's say T-Coast. Oh, it's fun. Most I don't have to speak English, but I will speak English. I'll speak English for you guys there at home. So, just telling our name. Yasizwa makazulu ngithi umntana we tiger ngesilungu yini?
I think it's a. Is it a calf? No, man. A cub.
A what?
A cub.
Cup.
Yeah. No, like a cub. C-U-B.
Okay. Kinkomo wile ngesilungu?
Yo. Young shy there.
Actually. Okay. Umuntu odunusile ngesilungu.
Yo. Angazi.
Umuntu odunusile ngesilungu umbiza ngathi.
I don't. I also don't.
Okay, what's a verb?
Doing well. Is it a doing well?
Okay.
Yeah.
A noun?
Dilo tse re di tshunne gale yo. A re di
Noun
tshunne
le
gale.
tshunegale. Noun?
Ah, boy, I forgot.
Okay, adjective.
Aye, khona.
God have mercy upon us.
Okay, asiphume inda. So, ukudate nentwana yami. Angithangizwa. You're on a date. Makuhambe nomlungu. Manje mele nidle umkhodu mfethu. Makamele umtshele lo muntu lo ukuthi hey ndoda, idla lo mkhodu lo before uqina. Makamele umtshele ngesilungu. Uzothini? Phela uhambe nomlungu la dating. Like uzami intwana yami.
Eat the food before it gets tired because you might get hurt.
Mele usho ukuthi yini lento le.
Yo.
I don't come the way English, wow.
Aye, ne ka mchela straight ka Setswana mona e ja direct no masangu.
Okay, bheka ke them. Okay, ngifuna ungitranslate, just translate this, ne? Yeah, so that bazowuzwa la. I'm asking you guys so that gonna translate for me. uMandela ipresident esingakhi eSouth Africa.
I knew what is this question about.
Ungangiphenduli i-translate.
I'm out.
Yo aye.
I am out. That question, I'm out.
Okay, Kane, the last one again. Would you suck a dick or your mother dies?
Yo!
Aye kampanaswe yo aye. Kampanaswe mun.
Kampanazo. What do you think?
I'm already passed away, so I no dick. No dick. No dick.
Okay, I was just tired.
I'm doing it.
Yeah. Bless. What up, my brother?
What up, machine?
My name is Pedro, you know me. I'm working for some company called Smart Intelligence.
Okay.
You see? So we go around. I have to go around in order to get paid. I have to go around asking people random questions. How smart are they? You see? And I'm bettering myself in English. Till let's go to sleep. You see? So who am I with?
You're Tato, machine.
Who?
Tato.
Vito. Yeah. I'm gonna ask you a couple of questions now. Okay, first question. Umuntu odunisile ngesilungu yini?
Yo. I'd say S-Town. S-Town, free.
Okay, and then
That's a word for that.
umntwana we-tiger nge-English ubizwa ngani?
I don't know. It's not a cub. Cub lion. It's tiger and cub, sure.
Okay. Tiger uchaza.
Tiger and cub.
Okay, feed. And then, would you suck a dick or your mother dies?
None.
No, man, you have to choose one.
None.
Okay, so no, uphumile out nomlungu. Yangithola?
Sure.
Nogawula, emgawulisa kancane umkhodu, yangithola?
Sure.
Ngiyaqaba umkhodu uyaqina ngithi.
Sure.
So, kumele umtshele lo muntu ukuthi hey, idla fast before lo mkhodu uqina. Mamele umtshele ngesilungu, uzothini?
Eat it up before it gets dry.
Yeah, mamele usho yonke into kahle.
Yeah?
Kumele usho yonke into.
Eat the tribe fast enough before it gets dry.
Okay, don't translate le last question. Translate yini?
Sure.
uMandela ipresident esingakhi eSouth Africa. So kumele ubuze umlungu anyway.
Esingakhi after democracy or before?
What?
After democracy or before?
Ungangiphenduli.
He's the first president after.
Ungangiphenduli. Kumele
Ngenze.
ungibuze. As much as that
Oh, okay.
ngesilungu.
Okay. Ngikubuze ngesilungu.
Yeah.
Leyo question leyo.
Yeah.
Shit. Didn't think about that. I feel that. That's hard. I didn't even find a name. That's hard. And then go on, man. Just can't say it.
Yeah, sure. Say it. Maybe right. Last question then.
Ew.
Try.
I'm trying. But you can't use the exact same words. Maybe change my car. Then translate it direct.
Yeah?
Because I can't say is the how many years.
If I get away, whether they will come back a record. Side peg.
Fuck.
Side peg.
I'm fine.
CX. Okay, no. Thank you, brother. Hey.
Let's wrap it up.
Yeah? Sure, Jaya. Who am I with?
Pepe.
Khuluma kahle Pepe.
Hey, you know Pepe.
Upepe wakuphi?
Esedlane too.
Etlane 2. Okay, so in a scale of 1 to 10, how smart are you?
7.
Why 7?
Ngifuna ukuzipha amandla right 7.
Alright, 7. Okay, so ibizwa ngani? Okay. Umntana weTiger.
Hawu yebo.
Mamela. Okay. Umntana weTiger yini ngesilungu?
Anyazi.
Okay, akakho ungahambi ke sengibuza right manje. Alabe ngihlala nem. Okay, what's a noun? Oh, okay. Oh. Zama ke okay. Oh, okay. Zokale ngizokubuza. If bebathu ngaba i-animal no. Ne? Choose ukuba i-animal. Ungaba yiphi and why?
Yeah, cheetah right.
Cheetah. Why?
Wena wazi cheetah yenzani?
Ini?
Cheetah yenzani?
Yakichi. Angazi mina. Yenza nje angazi mina.
Yenzani?
Why ungaba i-cheetah?
Iyagijima obvious.
Ngoba iyagijima. Okay ke, mamela ke last ne. Okay. So let's say uhambe nomlungu on a date. Ngithola. Niyodla umkhodi. Ngithola. Manje umtshela ukuthi emfethile umkhodi wakho before uqine uzothini?
Ngisho nge-English.
Yeah.
Yini qala umkhodi nge-English?
Ngisibuza wena noma ngazi mfethu namfuna ukwazi.
Hayi mina angisadlali kaza.
Isho uphendula le nto ensokhe.
Anyazi.
Iphendula izami. Kumele uzame ukumtshela mfethu. Arasi ngeke enjoy lokudla lokho. Yeah? Okay, what's for synthesis?
Actually the process le ama plants akwa khona.
Yeah?
The process, ne?
Yeah?
Whereby plants produce their own food.
Okay. What's an adjective?
Petro, you tell me to answer one.
I'll be last.
Adjective. Yes.
I'm back. I'm with you. Smoosh. Go back. Oh, okay. Smoosh. I'm with Smoosh. There's something kunento siyenzayo neyini. Ukuthi ngasitshayisa mawa ngesitshayisa. Sihamba like sibuza abantu ama questions angithola. Yeah, for uzocava ukuthi bava. Okay, so hey, susa lento le can I start? Okay. Umntana weTiger yini ngesilungu?
Yeah. I think it's not a cub, I think.
Okay. And then inkomo oyile ngeEnglish?
Fallen cow.
God have mercy upon us.
Okay, Smoosh. So Mabangathi ube yi-animal A1 ungachoose ukuba yini and why?
I choose to go by fish ngoba ngisanda ukugeza ngisanda amanzi.
Khona bangathanda amanzi.
Yeah.
You.
Okay, what's the noun?
Simakota.
Oh, okay, what's Bathe ngibuze what's photosynthesis?
Ooh. Photosynthesis.
So sihambe nomlungu, so shaya nomlungu.
Sengiyamfuna yazi. Mlungu.
Okay, so shaya nomlungu igama lakhe uSam.
Usem.
And then now uyamkhipha mfethu umbonisa ikasi niyodla umkhodi yabo. So mele umtshele ukuthi mfethu idla lo mkhodi lo wakho fast before uqine. Uzothini?
Eat your food before it gets cold.
Makamele umtshele mfethu.
It's gonna get hard. Yeah, izonquma ngazi ngesilungu kuthiwa nomnquma.
And mele usho ukuthi mfethu idla umkhodi wakho ngoba uzonquma yabo. Mele umtshele cabanga ukuthi
Tukulo yoshem. Anyachacha yo.
kanjani sushi?
Ngitshele hayi botukulo.
Ngifuna ukucaba.
Ngizomtshela ukuthi eat your food. The food is getting cold. This meat it shrinks.
It shrinks.
Angazi ngizothini tukulo.
Okay, smoosh. Last one. Ne?
Ngihlekisa ngabojingo.
Ngokuhlekisa ngabojingos. Okay. What's a pronoun?
Tukulo ngibisele movie esikolweni manje. Hayi tukulo bengibhala ngine-stress angeke. Ngisebenza overtime tukulo nje.
Okay, hayi. Shesho bani kanjani? Yeah, Saival.
Seyivala.
Kanjani ya?
Ngusmush ngihlala eDlen. Melbest yami le. Ngani wami my friend. Share, like, comment, subscribe.
Yes. So, who am I with? Okay, my name is Petro Cificationalism. Who am I with? Ntombi. Tholakele. Okay. So, kunento siyenzayo yini? Ngithola kasi ne for ukuthi angazi sivula icompany.
Qala ube stretchile bantu.
Okay. Kunezinto kumele nginibuze zona Chucks ne. So, ngaqala ngawe ne umntana. Okay, ngicala ngawe. Okay, umntana ethaka yini ngesilungu?
Yeah, yini umntana ethaka ngesilungu? Oh. Hey. Angazi.
Okay, inkomo ewile ngesilungu.
Isilungu umntana ethaka.
Yeah, umntana ethaka.
Oh, hayi weleyo.
Ethaka.
Oh, hayi. Bathi inkomo ewile ngesilungu.
Inkomo yona ewile ngesilungu yini?
Inkomo ewile ngesilungu. Ufall.
Okay.
Ewile ufall.
Fallen cow. Yes. Okay. So, ne mama ngathi ube inoma yipi animal, ungachoose kuba yiphi and why? You understand question Mus?
Elephant.
Why?
Because it's smart and I cough.
Mama ngathi ube inoma yipi animal, ungachoose kuba yini and why?
Ngichoose ukuba lion.
Why?
Ngoba is strong.
Ngoba strong.
Yeah.
Okay, siyabonga. Okay, what's an adjective?
Adjective.
Yeah.
Not a noun. Adjective.
Okay, what's a noun?
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
A noun. Yeah. A noun is the name of a place, a person, or naming word.
Naming word, yeah. Nice. Okay, a verb?
Is it?
It's a doing word. Okay. And then what's photosynthesis?
Photosynthesis.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey. Yo, ngafaka kungangifaka iTube. Yazi ngithi bayakubukela.
Angeke. Okay, last question ne. So sobamba umlungu. Uyamkhipha umletha yekasi ukuthi nizodla kahle umkhodi. Uyangithola? Mama lumtshela ukuthi mfethu idla la umkhodi before uqina. Uzothini?
Ngimtshela ngesilungu.
Yeah.
Eat this food before
Umtshela
iba yini lentele?
ngesilungu yonke into umtshela nomkhodi ukuthi idla umkhodi wakho ngoba
ngimtshela ukuthi yini umkhodo
Yeah, ukuthi
umkhodo ngithi inyama what because it's going to be what ayithi umkhodo yesilungu encrypt ama inside Tripped what? Tripped
Okay, ngiyabonga okay.
Tribe.
Yeah, alright. Abahleke baphaphile fast. Yeah, okay, ngiyabonga ne. Ladies, nibe nelango elihle, usuku oluhle. Night enhle. Siyabonga.
Mphethu Hleti Wateng from Protea Clan.
Malebza lo bafiti. Oceans ngelo.
Oceans no Malebza. So today first vlog yethu of how smart are you? At a scale of 10, how smart are you?
Let's say 8.
Okay.
See, feel mina ngeke ngizipha amabhande. U6 la.
Okay, 6 and 8. Okay, sharp asiqaleni ke bafethu. Edede. Umuntu odunusile ngesilungu yini?
Okay, afeli. Asithi upendile.
Umuntu odunusile.
Yeah, upendile.
Wena uthi ugoba, ngithi odunusile. Ngesilungu yini fethu?
Yeah. Next question.
Okay, sharp. So wethu yonke. Yini pronoun?
A pronoun.
Makanyakeleza. Yini pronoun macala?
I feel it ngizame. A pronoun is a verb.
Is a verb ay macala. Ay. Okay. Umntana weTiger yini ngesilungu? Yo, it's yeah. Last question ne bafethu, last question. Lengizonibuza nithi. Switchong ukhipha imedi yakho yomlungu. Ngangithola uyiletha yekasi nithi ngizodla umkhulu. Ngangithola. Manje wena kwamela umtshelo ungwani ukuthini? Baba, idla fast lo mkhulu lo ngoba
Uzoba.
uzokhokha. Marisho ngesilungu uzothini?
Ukhokha yini? Qala uzobanda ngithi uzowona.
Uzogcina.
Okay.
Ngithola. Uzothini ngesilungu?
Ngamtshela baby girl, please eat this tripe before it gets cold because you won't like it when it's cold and
Asi.
Okay.
Athi.
I feel mina ngathi baby, please eat fast before this food get dry.
Ngiyakuzwa. Okay. Asibonge bafethu.
Mfana okay. So nakhot man la ka petrosificationalism ne? Sure wena ke mang?
Ke re thabile.
Va jwetse la.
Ke re thabile fedi.
Re thabile na le Instagram, Facebook, ntso tseo.
I don't use those things. I only use TikTok, Facebook and WhatsApp. That's all.
Okay, I feel it. So ngizokubuza ama question first. Umuntu odunusile ngesilungu yini?
Umuntu odumisile ngesilungu. Hayi. Backside, I don't even know.
Okay. Nitsini?
Backside. I don't even understand.
Yeah, you don't understand the question.
Like I understand the question, eh? But or now udunusile ibizwana sikazi.
Okay. Yini umntana weTiger ngesilungu?
Little tiger? Motala sikazi.
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Eish wona lo yena mona ona timing ne.
Hayi ukana hana fast man.
Wona bibitsang umntwana khona o.
That's why ke botsa wena na bang humile hore ke tlo thola these answers from you guys.
Ona ukulele mothoro brava ka late hlebna ka.
Okay, I takhot badaka. Tako. Okay guys, eka sondela ibabo yintwana yamchingo susondela yabona. Okay. So nobani intwana yami?
Awunohloni ifere.
Yeah, so nenza headband.
Ngenza grade 8 vele.
Grade 8.
Yeah.
Va.
Erashong.
Erashong.
Yeah.
Okay. Wena ubani?
Katlego.
Katlego. Wenza grade bani? Katlego. 10.
Yeah.
Okay. Keleza va?
Klipspruit West.
Yeah?
Klipspruit West.
Shit. Ya utsukhala va? Uploma va? Eshmanu keleza va?
Klipspruit West.
Okay, fair chance. Okay. Sondela ntwana yami ngizonibuza ama question. Yini umuntu odunusile ngesilungu?
Udumusile ngesilungu. Like intombazane okay. Umfana.
God have mercy upon us.
Okay.
Like woman pending, okay?
Yeah.
The woman she's pending.
Vele mina ngicabanga.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, ntwana yami no flop. Okay. And then yini umntana we-tiger ngesilungu? Umntana we-tiger.
Yo angicabanga.
Zama ntwana yami.
Yo. Yo Petrang.
Okay, yini umntana we-tiger ngesilungu?
Kafi mina.
Okay. What's a noun?
A noun. A noun is a doing word.
What's a verb?
Yo.
Okay. What's an adjective?
Adjective. Hey, beto ngibusele skera ka.
Okay, asiphume neske. Sesithi utshwala nomuntu ne. Umuntu akhona umlungu. Angizwa. So, uyamkhipha umlethe ekhaya sazogawula umkhodi, yangithola. Makacaba umkhodi mawuhlalile uba nale nto white aqina. So manje umtshela ukuthi baby idla fast umkhodi. Ngoba idla fast ngoba umkhodi mawuqina. Ngoba dry, mawuqina. Uzothini? Ngelo mkhuzo ukuthi mfethu idla fast before umkhodi uqina.
Ngang English.
Yeah, ngoba umlungu phela.
Yo, I can't fit the pie le.
Okay, inkomo ewile ngesilungu.
The cow fell.
Yeah?
The cow did fall.
Cow did fall.
So see. Now,
The cow fell down. The cow fell down.
The cow fell down.
Yeah.
Okay, touch it. Yeah, sibonga. So sinithestile knowledge. Thank you. Okay, guys. This is the end of the video. If you are new to my channel, click that subscribe button and join the family. Guys, in today's video, I was just doing a public interviews and everything. I just wanted to see if you guys will enjoy the content. And then if you enjoy, I'll drop them every, like maybe a week. Drop a public interview. A week maybe I'll drop 3 public interviews. We see, go around asking people to check where they see. But yeah, it's your boy Petros Educationalism. See you in the next video. Comment if you enjoyed this type of content. Subscribe.